and today I'm coming to you guys with another Makeup Monday. By the time this goes up, it's probably going to be like later in the day on Monday. But I definitely wanted to do this makeup look for you guys. I'm going to be paying homage to Amy Winehouse. If you don't know, she's one of my favorite musicians ever. Yeah, so I listened to her a lot when I was in college, in undergrad, and she is one of the reasons why I love wing liner so much. I started off by applying this kinky textured wig, and I decided to go with this kinky textured wig because I know with this kind of texture it's gonna be a lot easier to achieve a beehive versus like a more silky texture. This wig is from Wig Encounters. I did a review on it back in March, I believe. If you're interested in the review on this wig, I'll put that on the info card for you guys so you guys can check that out. So I already applied it, and you guys have seen how I apply my frontals and 360s in a lot of my videos. All I did was I took some of the Got To Be freeze spray in the yellow bottle, and I sprayed it on the lace, and it's laying really flat. And I also sewed elastic in the cap, and it made this wig lay flat, lie really flat too. So what I'm gonna do is just start to section out how I want to achieve the beehive style, and then after I finish the hair, we'll move into makeup. So what I'm doing now is I'm just creating the side part. After I have created the side part, I'm gonna go to the end of the part and kind of section off the bang in the area for the beehive. I'm gonna clip this part, like the bang part, like out of my face while I work on the beehive part. I've never done a beehive before, but I have watched some tutorials on YouTube. So I have a lot of nets from the different wigs that I review. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take a kinky textured wig that I have from a different company. This one is from Best Lace Wigs. What I saw in the tutorials that I watched was they took some hair that they had, you know, lying around, or a wig that they had lying around. They took a wig that was the same texture as their hair, and they kind of balled it up. And then they put a net around it. All right, so I'm gonna take this this wad of a wig with the hairnet around it, and I'm gonna try to stick it down with bobby pins, and I'm gonna try to get it centered. Wow. I'm also going to put some bobby pins behind this thing right here. I'm going to put some in the back. Alright, I'm going to take the hair that I separated, and then I'm gonna put it over that beehive. And I'm gonna take more hair from up front to help conceal that. Amy's Beehive was never like super pristine, which is good for me because I can kind of leave it more messy. This wig is so hot. Oh my gosh. I'm burning up in this wig. So I'm gonna just keep pinning more and more of the hair in the Beehive to get some out of my face. All right, I have a Pinterest board, and I've had a Pinterest board for a while of just like Amy Winehouse, because I did a drawing of her actually last year. So if you haven't seen that drawing, definitely check it out. I'll put that on the info card as well. But it looks like sometimes her hair was just straight, like I have it with the Beehive, and then it has, sometimes she has some curls and texture in it. So this time, now I'm gonna put some curls into the bang and in the hair itself, and then just kind of pin it, just kind of get it to my liking. Hi. It's my Beehive. Beehive looks pretty good. This is gonna be the only video I record today because this is gonna take a while. I'm excited. All right, so I basically got the texture in the hair how I want it. So I'm gonna take some hairspray from Aussie and spray it everywhere. So I'm gonna pin my hair out of the way, and then we're gonna get started on the makeup look. All right guys, so I'm gonna move on to her signature. I'm gonna move on to her signature eyeliner. So I wear pretty dramatic wings as well, but hers, when I was looking at different pictures, her wings like touch the tip of the like end of her brow. So I'm gonna curve mine up to mimic hers. That's not necessarily how I like to wear mine, but I definitely wanna try to do mine similar to hers. So I'm gonna use something different today. If it doesn't work out, I'm gonna switch to my regular e.l.f. liner. This is the e.l.f. eyeliner pen, and I'm just gonna start drawing my wings. All right, so I got my trusty e.l.f. liquid liner in jet black that I've been using for years. I can control this a lot better and it doesn't drag on my skin. So I'm just gonna fill in that area that I already drew with the other eyeliner. Whoops. Alright, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to take some matte black eyeshadow from my Soft Glam palette. You can use matte black eyeshadow from any palette. And I'm going to set my wing liner so it's very matte. Alright guys, so we're almost done and I decided to go with a red lip. I was looking at different pictures of her. Sometimes she had you know, pinks and nudes, but I always think of her as wearing a red lip, so I'm gonna go with a red lip. I'm gonna be using the Colored Raine Cherry Blossom. I haven't worn this since like the holiday season, but no, I actually wore it a couple months ago, but this is such a beautiful red color, so beautiful. I'm gonna go change and I'll be right back. Alright guys, so here's the final look. All I did was I took the pins out of the hair and then I added a faux flower because in some pictures Amy did used to wear flowers in her hair. This video was a passion project. I have been wanting to do this for years. I was a huge fan. I'm still a huge fan. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. What is or what was your favorite Amy Winehouse song? I'll put mine below. I have to think about it because I have a lot of them. So yeah, if you have not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe and turn on your notifications so you'll be notified every time that I do another upload. And I'll see you guys in another video. Bye guys.